This is the transmission line assembly for my 86 IROC. Says this will fit turbo hydromatic 350 and a $700 transmission coil line 2-piece. Take a look in here. This is how it came. These lines bent over. It says on there, straighten. Straighten between tags and a roll on a flat surface. At least it was only one line that's bent, but still it's straighten between tags. This is going to be interesting. Nope. There it is. Let you know how it goes. Okay, here we have the old transmission line. I'm going to compare the new one to it. This way. Looks like all the bends are good. Back here. And I gotta straighten this thing out. Seems pretty close. See, I installed this bracket here on the new kit. I'll go up against the other fan. Hopefully install this. Okay. Looks like the easiest way to do this is going to be try to feed these lines the whole way in from the front. It's got to go from the front of this bar. Stuck. There we go. Back in there. Stuck in there. Okay. Got that far. I'm gonna get up around the knock sensor. Doesn't look too promising. It's gotta go all the way back there. Which makes me think the starter's got to come out. So about that. Yeah, I think that's got to come out. Like the fourth time.